A 2017 Mazda CX-5. We're going to be replacing the 12-volt battery located right here. What I'm going to do is, before I start replacing the battery, I connect a memory saver. It's connected to the OBD port, and what that does, it basically just saves all the radio stations. If it has like a window memory, you can do that. If not, then you can just go ahead and replace that battery. Okay, we're going to start off by removing the ground strap terminal. Make sure that you're loosening, not tightening like I was. You loosen it, just kind of twist it off, leave that to the side. Now we're going to remove the positive side. Just a couple turns, and then as long as you can be able to free it just like that, you're going to leave that to the side right here, out of the way. Now we're going to be removing these two 10mm nuts right here. I leave it off just like that, just at the end, so that way basically I take the whole hook off, but just make sure that you do remember how it is placed. Take it off, put it to the side. Now we're just gonna lift it. Okay, we're going to be reinstalling the new battery. So just know that, make sure that you put it on the correct spot, as in when I took it off, positive was on the bottom, mind you, the positive terminal. Make sure it's in the correct locations. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to install the hook. So on this side, you can kind of take a look at it. The hook goes underneath right here. So just make sure it's hooked up. I kind of pull it towards upwards, and I kind of hand tight. It's going to be the same thing on this side. You just won't be able to see it, but it's the same setup, going by hand. Secure it. Just enough so the battery is secure and it doesn't move. Okay? So now we're going to go ahead and install the positive side. Make sure it goes all the way to the bottom. We're going to snug this 10mm nut. You're going to secure it to the point where you can't move it as well. Don't go over and tighten, and you can't break that bracket, okay? Next, we're gonna go ahead and secure the ground side. Remove the cover off the battery, don't forget that. Make sure that's flush as well. And that's how you do a battery.